Welcome to our video on the best online sales secrets. If you're looking to improve your online sales, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll share with you the 5 best secrets that will help you significantly increase your online sales. Secret number 1: create an excellent online shopping experience. The first secret to increasing your online sales is to create an excellent shopping experience for your customers. This includes having an easy-to-use interface, providing detailed product information, and offering exceptional customer service. Secret number 2: use email marketing. The second secret to increasing your online sales is to use email marketing. Send personalized emails to your customers and prospects with special offers and exclusive discounts. Secret number 3: use social media to promote your products. The third secret to increasing your online sales is to use social media to promote your products. Create engaging posts and use hashtags to reach a wider audience. Secret number 4: offer guarantees and returns. The fourth secret to increasing your online sales is to offer guarantees and returns. This will help customers feel more secure when shopping online. Secret number 5: use SEO techniques. The fifth secret to increasing your online sales is to use SEO techniques. Optimize your website for search engines so that it appears in the top results when customers search for similar products. Conclusion: those are the 5 best secrets for increasing your online sales. Use these tips to improve your online shopping experience, increase your sales, and build longer-lasting relationships with your customers. Thank you for watching our video.